a legal team at the Bundestag scoured through an agreement signed by the two countries back in 1990, called the 2+4 Treaty, which paved the way for the reunification of East and West Germany. They came to the conclusion that the wording of the legal document specifically blocks any reparation demands against Germany to the present day, according to the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung newspaper. The revelations are likely to open up a fresh rift between Germany and Poland, who are separately at loggerheads over what Warsaw perceives as unjust meddling in its sovereignty by the European Union. Earlier this month, Polish ministers took the hugely incendiary step of preparing a £37 billion claim for war reparations from Berlin, which it argued should be paid to cover damage caused by the Second World War. Jaroslaw Kaczynski, the extremely influential chief of the ruling Law and Justice Party, PiS, described the move to extract more cash from Germany as an historical counteroffensive. He told a Polish radio station, "We are talking here about huge sums and also about the fact that Germany for many years refused to take responsibility for World War II." And Ryszard Czarnecki, an MEP from his party, added, "If Jews have gotten compensation, and rightly so, for loss of property, why shouldn't we also make claims?" But Germany immediately rejected the claims, with a government spokeswoman saying the country had already made significant reparations for general war damage, including to Poland, and is still paying significant compensation for Nazi wrongdoing. Poland is claiming that a waiver it signed in 1953, waiving its rights to war reparations, was done under duress whilst it was part of the Soviet Union and is therefore legally invalid. But Berlin, keen to scotch the claim once and for all, got its own lawyers onto the case and found that the later 1990 treaty, signed a year after it regained independence, also precludes such a scenario. Wednesday, April 19, 2017. An extraordinary collection of rare color photographs of the Second World War that features in a new book titled The Second World War in Color from the Imperial War Museums. The row comes at a tricky time for Germany and the EU, who are both at loggerheads with an increasingly angry and unpredictable Warsaw over several alleged infringements of European law. Poland currently has ongoing infringement cases against it for failing to accept migrant quotas and for proposed amendments to its judicial system which bureaucrats say would give the government too much power over judges. It has also angered Brussels and environmentalists by refusing to stop logging in the WW2 forest, Europe's last prehistoric woodland, despite being ordered to do so by the European Court of Justice.